For my personal technology project, I decided to have my students create a mind map of the ways that they can help the environment. Some ideas that my students could come up with is making your home eco-friendly, supporting conservation, and being registered as a voter and supporting conservation laws and those representatives who will vote for them. So under making your home eco-friendly, my students could come up with installing solar panels, recycling all of your waste, and installing eco-friendly carpets, wood tiles, and windows. Under this category, I have attached a video of a lady who tells all the different ways that you can change your home to be more eco-friendly. So here it takes it to the YouTube video where you can see that. So here's the lady, and she's showing everyone all the different ways that you can change your house. Back to my mind map, I also have attached a link to 40 different ways that people can help the environment. This doesn't necessarily have to do with the houses, but this is just a bunch of different ideas that my students may not have necessarily come up with already. The second main topic on my mind map is supporting conservation. For this, students can regularly donate money to conservation organizations or groups, help clean up their local parks or beaches, or go to their local zoos or aquariums. So over here, attached to help clean up your local park or beach, I've added an image from the internet of people cleaning up a beach. So over here at the main topic, I have listed a comment that I've given my class regarding how well they have done in making this mind map. So there's my mind map. Thank you.